We're standing in front of Mitutoyo's latest CMM machine for the shop floor, and it's called the MiSTAR 555. So Andy's going to give us the lowdown on why you should invest in this CMM.
So the MiSTAR 555 is a new shop floor hardened CMM from Mitutoyo. We've brought this out to allow our customers to put machines on the shop floor, and there's a number of attributes that lend itself best to that environment.
Well, looking at it, it's got quite a small footprint and it's got great access to the machine.
Yes, exactly. So you can see that there are nothing blocking access to the machine. That lends itself to being put into automated systems as well, which obviously would be on the shop floor, and also gives the operator easy access to the machine. Other things to consider are the fact that there's no air bearings, so if there are contaminants in the air, those air bearings can't be contaminated and cause issues with the machine itself. We have very fast cycle times, so again, if you're on the shop floor, you want to turn your parts around quickly. There's often a need to feed back the data from the CMM very quickly to the machine tool so that you can make adjustments and things like that, and this machine offers you that ability.
So talk me through some more attributes of why this is so perfect for the shop floor.
Another set of attributes is the temperature compensation. So we've designed the machine so that it's accurate over a wide variety of temperatures, which obviously on a shop floor there can be less control than a dedicated inspection department. There's also some redesign on the scales compared to our other CMMs, and this again lends itself to making the machine more robust in a shop floor environment.
You're really making it user-friendly too, aren't you?
That's right. So we can adjust things like the monitor and keyboard position. We can have seating or standing positions. We can put the monitor and keyboard on either side of the machine. It's all about being flexible to the shop floor environment, fitting in around the other machines that are perhaps already installed, and making sure that the operator has got the best access to the parts and can deliver the parts to the machine effectively.
So Andy, all in all, why would you encourage anybody watching to invest in the MiSTAR 555 machine?
So the MiSTAR 555 is going to give you the best in its class for delivering easy installation to the shop floor, measuring your parts, getting your results out quickly, and ensuring that the machine is reliable and fit for purpose.
Thank you.